friends, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So today I am going to be going to Goodwill and I'm going to be hunting for Easter things and spring things, cottagecore types of things, anything, I don't know, floral, pastel, and of course I'll always be looking for things that are vintage, that are hippie vibes and colors, mid-century, maybe some Victorian, and anything that I love and sparks my interest. I'm going to peek through the clothes too. I don't know if I'm going to get anything. Looking specifically for things because I want to do a table setting for Easter, and I was thinking about doing maybe a fireplace mantle setting or a faux fireplace. If you guys didn't see my last video, I just did that for St. Patty's Day and I love how it turned out. So I'm not sure. I'm kind of like debating on what I want to do. I'm just gonna see what inspires me. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Jumping right in, the first thing that I saw were these beautiful blankets. They had them sitting here by all of the Easter decor. It looked like they had this little end cap decorated for Easter, but it's kind of ransacked. But there was a lot of cute little figurines and vintage looking items. I'm not a huge collector of knickknacks unless they're like little amber glass or Victorian looking candlesticks and things like that. But I love how everybody has different sense of style and also how these vintage items can spark nostalgia for me and other people as well, and I like to show you guys all of the festive items if I can. I love taking all different types of baskets, ones that I already have at home as well to use for Easter, but this one was so cute with its little tulips. I also wanted to share some of this old packaging with you guys. If you've been here before, you know I love to get vintage items that have the old packaging still because it just feels so cool to me. And I was so close to getting one of these little boxes. I think there was like 4 of them in the Goodwill, and I just loved these vintage pictures on them, but each one of them had like a blank side that somebody had colored on. They were still really cute and you could have like put that side against the wall. But there's a lot of these other items here that I think maybe had just come from Dollar Tree, but they're still cute, and I just want to kind of show you guys some of the cute Easter vibes as I was here looking through the shelves. I thought these little eggs were fun. It looks like somebody did a DIY project and they definitely looked vintage because they had some like sun discoloring to them, and these little clear ones looked so fun to make to put stuff inside. I kind of want to try that now. There were lots of items that looked like they'd be perfect for a dining room table, like ceramic bunny items, and I thought that that would be such a fun way to make a vintage Easter table, which I am doing this year, but that's not the theme that I'm going for, so I did not get any of these items, but I still want to share them with you guys. The ceramic duck container was so cute. I'm kind of bummed I didn't get this because this could have also been really cute for a cottagecore decor. And now I'm kind of getting into the section where I'm going to be sharing you guys some of the dishes that I feel would be really fun to use to decorate for like an Easter tablescape or a spring tablescape. Look at these salt and pepper shakers. They're perfect for cottagecore. I loved them so much. They were just so big and I don't have like a lot of storage space left right now, so I did leave them behind. I was pouting about it, but I wanted to share a lot more of the floral and just kind of pretty sparkly springtime decorating options. So this is the part in the store where I start to get really excited and want to freak out because I'm finding my favorite things. And look at these. I have some similar to this that are like china cups, but these ones are like a beautiful stoneware for my coffee. I also loved these ones, but just not as much as the other two. Then I saw these mid-century star glasses and I wanted to freak out, you guys. I'm sure you can imagine my internal screaming when I saw all of those last 3 cups. And then we come to these ones, which I thought were beautiful. I tried to figure out if these were vintage and I can't tell, so I'm not sure. Tell me if you guys know what these are, where they come from, if they're old or not, because I just think that they're so cool looking with this dark, moody amber glass swirl design. I recently got some beautiful blue glass goblets from my grandma's things, and I want to find some matching dishes to go with them, but I want to get a set of 6 because I have a set of 6 of the cups. So I'm still on the hunt for those, but they had so many different floral bowls and plates this time, but I was kind of looking for colored glass or pastel colored glass. This one was really pretty here, but I don't know. I love these actually. Okay, this is totally not what I was looking for, but it's one of those surprises where you're like, okay, I'm obsessed. I love these, even though they didn't have the teacups to go with them. And then I just started looking at some more of the decor. I have other things like this, and I love the keys. They're so whimsical and cute. But as I was saying, I was having kind of bad luck finding the pastel colored dishes like I was looking for, but I was finding a lot of my vintage hippie vibe amber glass, like the dark moody colors that I was looking for. So I had luck. It just wasn't what I was expecting to find, which is part of the fun of going to thrift shops, is you just never know what you're gonna find. But I'm here just showing you guys lots of different little vases. Look at this cute little tulip, and it's like fake obviously, but I thought it was really cute how it has like the root ball. I'm just rambling on now, but I just wanted to share more of these spring vibes with you, and like little animals and cottagecore things and things that just made me happy and feel excited for springtime. I loved this tiered Victorian style table. I thought that this was so beautiful, and it was only $8.99. I couldn't believe it. I wanted to get this really bad, but I just don't know where to put it right now, so I ended up passing on it, sadly. I'm always hunting for other Victorian finds like candelabras and picture frames as well, because they just make me so happy. And I didn't end up digging through the clothing items for very long, but I did find this vintage slip, which I thought is so beautiful for spring. Alright, I'm back from Goodwill and I'm going to share with you guys what I got this time around. I was like looking for springy cottagecore, flowery goodness, spring colors, and I ended up picking out, of course, like the vibe that I always end up picking out, which is more of like the warm toned hippie colors. And I don't know, it's just what I'm drawn to, and I didn't really find anything that I really loved in like the spring vibe. So I'm just gonna share with you guys what I got today, and I'll start out with the most spring thing. So were you guys surprised when I got these mugs? Because they are so beautiful. I love this purple one. I've never seen one purple before, and the purple and green, and it just like made me so happy. And this one, I still love this one too. They're just these are very cottagecore spring, so these are kind of perfect. And I'm going to use these for my coffee in the mornings for springtime, and I'm so excited. They've also got this like cute little speckle color to them, and I just think that they are absolutely precious. The next thing that I got are these vintage plates, and don't laugh at my nail polish. I picked it off one hand and not the other, so I have to do my nails and I just didn't have time to do it. But look at these plates, you guys. Aren't they absolutely beautiful? They're like the perfect orange, yellow, and green, and they're gonna go so well with the rest of my dishware that I have. I just think that they're so pretty. I wish that there was 6 of them instead of 4. They also have this weird shape because they're supposed to be, if you see this little cup right here, they're supposed to be like a cup for this indentation, a little teacup, which they didn't have. But that's okay. I think they look like little mushrooms, kind of. So I just love the shape. I loved how they stack together. I love the print most of all. I don't know, I guess some of the stuff that I got can still be considered springy because these are definitely it. So I totally lied because look, I did get another springy thing. I got this little satin slip dress. I think this is so beautiful. I'm pretty sure it's vintage because this definitely looks like a vintage tag to me. I tried to look it up online and I don't know what this brand is. I'll try to look again, and if I can figure it out, I will put it right here. But I thought this was so beautiful because the color of the flowers is like this gorgeous kind of like coral, and then with the green and white. And it's just going to be like the cutest little PJ dress to wear in the springtime. And yeah, I really love this and I can't wait to wash it and try it on. So are you guys surprised that I got these? They are like the most cool, beautiful, amazing mid-century glasses, and they're such a cool shape because they're like tall and skinny. They're like the juice glasses that my grandma had at our family cabin growing up. This shape, like, I just love them so much. They're nostalgic for me, but these ones are tall. She never had these ones that I remember, but I just thought these were so cool with the gold stars on them. That is like, I don't know, I just think that they're absolutely stunning. I wish that there was 6 instead of 4, but I don't care. I'm gonna like use these as like everyday cups and put them in my cupboard with my other amber glass and stuff like that. I think they're just gonna look so cool with the rest of my dishes, and I just love them so much. So once again, I'm obsessed with glasses and dishes. I can't help myself. I have to get like the Goo Gone and wash these still, but I picked the tags off of them. And all the cups I believe were $1.99, which was really cheap. But I don't know if you could tell in the video in Goodwill, but they've got this like swirl design to them. Look at how beautiful that is. I think they're supposed to be like stemless wine glasses. I don't know if these are vintage or not, but I just think they're beautiful. I'll definitely use them as wine glasses. I don't know. I love them so much. They look vintage to me. I tried to look them up and I will try again. Like when I was in the store, I was like, are these vintage? But anyway, either way, they're stunning and I love them. And then I got these beautiful keys. Look how gorgeous they are. They're made of like, I don't know, what is like this plastic stuff. And you can hang them on the wall. I have another one of these that I had painted white a long time ago and kind of shabby chic'd it with sandpaper, and I love how that turned out, and it's probably a little bit smaller than this one. So my plan is, I believe, to hang all 3 of these on the wall together, and I have some like poetry hanging above the white one that I have right now. So it's very like whimsical. The canvas that I made also has like little sparkly stars on it and moss and stuff, so like with the poetry. So I like to do lots of like naturey, whimsical types of stuff for decor in my house as well, and I think these will go perfectly with it. And then the last thing that I got is this adorable little basket. So I don't know if this was supposed to like maybe be a napkin basket or something. I think I'm probably going to put a plant in here. And I don't know, I just loved the square shape of it and like the color of it and the texture on it as well. I just think that this one was so cute and I don't know, to me it looks like a vintage basket of some kind. It just reminds me of like the perfect vintage vibe basket, and yeah, I'm definitely going to use this to decorate in my house. As I'm editing this, I just wanted to share a little sneak peek with you guys because I went to Walmart and I got some really awesome stuff, and I'm going to be making a tablescape for Easter, and I'm going to be putting like antique dishes and stuff in there too, or vintage ones. So if you want to see that, here's a little sneak peek of a few things I'm going to be using that are new. But make sure that you watch that video coming up really soon if you want to see how it turns out with all of my like antique or vintage dishes. Alright, that's all for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this short little shop with me. What was your favorite thing that I shared today? Was it something that I bought? Was it something I didn't buy? Comment below and let me know if you saw any nostalgic items from your childhood or anything like that when I was looking around. So anyways, I'm so glad you guys are here. Thank you guys so much for watching and liking this video, and subscribing if you're new here. I appreciate you all so much, and we will see you guys in the next one. Bye.